We'll look at e-commerce platforms and tools in this video. What are the benefits of e-commerce platforms for businesses? Consider a house without a sturdy foundation, which is similar to an online store without a good platform. An e-commerce platform not only supports, but also facilitates the expansion of an online store. Simply said, e-commerce systems are essential to the success of any online retail organization. People generally came to brick-and-mortar locations in the 20th century to ease trades. Platforms are now being established to ease the exchange of value from decentralized networks of individuals, thanks to connected technology and the internet revolution, after many years. As a result, the platform has developed at an exponential rate, and its ability to facilitate value transactions has reached new heights. E-commerce systems, whether on-premise or in the cloud, ensure the scalability and security of your data, as well as a wide range of operational benefits and business tools, such as a toolkit for product management, merchandising, the ability to search, pricing /s promotions, adapt sales and services to your preferences. You can tailor your product information using e-commerce platforms to meet the needs of your online business. Both store owners and customers benefit from it. Shopify. Shopify is one of the most widely used e-commerce platforms worldwide. It is a web application that allows you to quickly and easily construct an online store using one of the many accessible templates. You can modify those templates to match your online retailer's needs, or you can create your own store's design. You don't need any technical or design knowledge to effortlessly develop a gorgeous internet store, the business asserted. Because Shopify accepts a wide variety of credit cards, you won't have to worry about payment conflicts in your store. Shopify also provides Level 1 PCI compliance and 256-bit SSL encryption for security, so you can rest certain that your customers' and store's data is protected. Shopify's full CMS provides you complete control over the operation and presentation of your online store. Another great feature of Shopify is that it allows users to manage their stores from their mobile devices. The platform is entirely responsive, allowing users to effortlessly track, manage, and adjust their stores from any device, including mobile and desktop. It's a practical and efficient method for business people who are constantly on the move. One of the reasons Shopify is the greatest platform for selling is because of this. However, standing out among the hundreds of Shopify merchants isn't easy, thus all successful businesses partner with product retouching services to entice shoppers with high-quality photographs. So that's it for now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.